Hey everyone, today's the install of a house here in Cambridge. First day of install. I took some before pictures and we're gonna have some after pictures in the process going through. But just want to show you the trucks. Technicians are inside getting ready for all setup. I have some pictures already and I'll have more to come. Thank you. Hey everyone, this is day 2 of the install here in Cambridge, and you wouldn't believe how fast these guys are working. I got some photos to include on what the inside units are looking like so far. Thank you.